Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing well, and today we're diving deep into the review of the iPhone 13, which I've been using for 2 whole years. And today I'll share my experience about this device's durability, performance, and how it held up through my photography and cinematography adventures, all of the travels and everything. Spoiler alert, it's been through a lot. So, as you guys can see, my iPhone 13 has accumulated some serious scratches, especially on the sides, as I don't generally use any case, and though I have never dropped it, I have bumped into a lot of things while traveling and using it on the daily basis. Despite of the wear and tear, the iPhone 13 holds up pretty amazing. First of all, let's talk about the camera. So the dual camera setup on the iPhone 13 is pretty amazing. Whether I'm shooting photos or videos, it consistently produces high quality shots. And let me show you some samples I've shot over these years with this iPhone 13. As you guys can see, the videos out of iPhone 13 is next level. The crazy stabilization, the good dynamic range, and overall clarity of the video looks amazing. It's been my go-to device for shooting memories on the go. But the story is different when you talk about photos. Don't get me wrong, this device is capable of shooting really high quality photos, and it shoots great photos most of the time. But there are moments when I'm not particularly happy with the results. Sometimes in some scenarios, it lacks the details and clarity of overall image and introduces too much noise, especially in low light scenarios. But without that, I have shot some pretty crazy photos with this iPhone 13 over these years. Let me show you some photos. Now let's talk about the battery backup of iPhone 13. After using it heavily, extensively for 2 years, the battery backup now is okay, and the battery health of this device is 84%. So it doesn't last me throughout the day with my heavy use of social media, photography, cinematography, and everything included. And I find myself reaching for the charger more than I would like. So it's not terrible, but it's not great. And if you are planning to use it extensively like me, you need to carry a charger or a power bank with you all the time. Now, as we are talking about the downsides of the iPhone 13, let me point out some crazy facts about it as well. So Apple doesn't market this device as a waterproof device. It's a water-resistant device, but I have submerged this device multiple times to the freezing cold water of the frozen lake to the salty water of the sea, and multiple times for shooting photos, videos, and for fun as well. But I have never had any issue with the device. So this is obviously a crazy proof of how good the build quality is of the iPhone 13. Overall, the iPhone 13 has been a solid companion for my travels and creative projects. The camera, especially for video, is phenomenal. Photos are generally good, but sometimes can fall short of expectations. And while the battery life isn't the best, it's manageable. Plus, it's incredibly durable even without a case. So, would I recommend buying iPhone 13 in 2024? Not particularly. It held up pretty amazingly throughout my 2 years of extensive use, and it still holds great value. Also, this is one of the most sold iPhone in recent years, but it's a 2-year-old phone now, so you will get less software updates, and you have better options available in the market right now, like the iPhone 15 series and the iPhone 16 series is on the way. So if you can go for the latest series, go for it. And if you are still in a budget and think about buying the iPhone 13, you can go for it without a doubt. Just remember one thing, to carry a power bank with you and you will be fine. So that's it for today's video. If you have any question about this device and anything in general, do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.